It's Sunday morning, darling, I'm feeling so nice. I just come from a dancer, I rock this your music tonight. It's Sunday morning, darling, I'm
Gemes banget nih, gue baru dikirimin ada hampers New Year dari Starbucks Indonesia. Terus ada kayak notes gitu, always be you and be happy, thank you. Terus ini Happy New Year juga. Ini smoked scotch latte. And the last one, semoga sehat selalu dan sukses selalu ke depannya, thank you. Terus ada cemilannya juga, dan gue dikasih tumbler, gemes abis. Thank you so much guys, Happy New Year.